Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY. So if you are a swing trader, stick with us all here in the 4 hours. If you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the SP 500 today, after that move of yesterday and I tell it to you, that Monday candle, today the market, it fell down here as you see it. So as you see here, the SP 500, it tried to give us here a clear cup and handle here, very clear cup and handle. It's not yet completed, but if it fell down and break here, you need to enter short, or maybe another scenario as I mentioned in the previous video. I told you need to be focused on that level or that level here. Now we don't need to focus about that level here, that one here. We need to focus about that last high which is here. If the market go back and break it from here, go back and break it. Today there is the CPI data and all those news it's coming, so I don't advise no one to open a trade at that time, but it's up to you. If you want to open a trade at that time, that's my advice to you. Another thing here, you remember that trend line as we have here, that one here. I showed it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it. Even that one, you are in it here, you go back to test it again. That means either from here it will going back up and to break that last high. That's why I told you need to focus about that last high which is here, or the market it will break in that trend line here and it's going to fall down more. Another thing very important here in the SP 500 is those moving averages. As you see, the 100 moving average, that red one is 100 moving average, is a simple one. You are in it here and it reacted like a very stronger resistance or support here. So every time we touch it, now let's see if it's going to break above that 200. The blue one is the 200 moving average. That's why I told you it's not yet. Or maybe from here it's going to break above the 100 to break the 200. That's possible, guys. So everything's still possible till now. At this time there is nothing, no picture clear. The only thing you can make now is that trend line here as you see it, and here in the top you can make something like that trend line from that one here and that one here. So if the market came back and break in here, that means it's going to break even that last high and it's going to go back up till here. That's possible. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's being here. I think me personally is going to fall down again till it will touch in here the oversold area. When that one is going to fall down and to break that cup and handle I'll show you here, and to break the neckline, so till down here. That's possible because today it's coming very stronger news. So let's go in now to see the coming news for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. As you see, that way today the US stock market it fell down because of Apple. They announced their new iPhone 15, but investors they been accepting the Apple to make the price of it to get more higher than iPhone 14. But the problem it's going to be the same price like iPhone 14, and that will drive your stock today down a little bit. As you see it here, you can read everything about that. Then energy, as you see it, because the oil price is still going up, plus the incoming inflation report which is coming today, that will make your stocks to fall down today. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, guys. The coming news for today, as you see it, that the news we got today, we got very important news. As you see it, we got the GDP of UK, we got the core CPI of USA, we got CPI monthly and CPI yearly, and that one what else we know. And the forecasting here, it's saying the CPI data is going to come very bad. It's going to come 3.6, where we used to be before. The previous one, it used to be 3.2. That's very, very, very bad news to all the markets. So no matter what you're trading or what you're investing in, if that one came like that 3.6, we're going to see a dump happening in the market. That's why me advise you to stay away that time. Don't try to open any trade. And here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. Look at it. The VIX here today, it go back up. We are 14.23. That means currencies go back above a little bit. So you need to be focused about that one. But everything's still looking fine because also we are below than 20. That means not high currencies, but currencies go back above a little bit, and that affect the market a little bit. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see the SP 500 what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, we don't got something special here. You remember us, we enter short based on that trend line here. It is getting broke here. It falls down till here. Yes, it go back up, but me I put stop loss above here. Till now it's showing to me it's going to fall down more than that because we don't got any price action now here. Telling us we need to enter long. Yes, even if we see our indicator like that, if we came and we see our indicator is touch here the oversold area level. Also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it, which is here exactly. Let me tell you the level. Is it at 44.59.1? That's the level. But me I do it like that as a supply and demand zone. Like that is more better. Now should we enter long? Tell the market give you here a price action. Tell now you don't got any price action here, so there is no entry long here for smaller time frames. Here in the smaller time frames, it's telling us the market is going to fall down more than that. I think picture is too clear here, guys. Now let's go in to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. For the Nasdaq 100, guys, it's the same thing like the SP 500 as you see it. That me I told you if it fall down here, I'm breaking that neckline here, that one here, that low here. It's going to give you a very, very, very clear cup and handle here. And that man, also we're going to fall down more than that. Now what you should do here at that level where we are, as every time and as I mentioned before, what did I told you? I came and do it like that. We're doing like that, that trend line here. As you see it, the same thing you are in it here. That one you need to be focused about because that one here, you remember what me I told you? I told you is the lower of that flag here. As you see it, that the flag me I'm talking about here. If it's breaking here, that means the SP or the Nasdaq is going to fall down more than that. You need to be focused at that level here, what the market is going to do. If it's not, maybe from here we're going to reverse because till now you are in a very, 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 very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. If you came, that peak here and that peak here, you are in it again here, and even you are in the 100 moving average. Let's see if the market is going to break from here. So now what you need to do, focus it with me, what I'm going to tell you. You see that last high here and that low here, you focus it about them where the market is going to break. If the market go back above here and breaking that one here, that means also we're going to enter more long. If the market fall down and breaking down here, that means the market is going to fall down more than that. And I just show you the CPI data and what is it the forecasting. They said it's going to come 3.6 like that. And if it came like that, that's very, very bad news for US stock market. It's our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator as you see it, it doing here same what it done before here. So that technically telling us we haven't touched here the oversold area. That means it's left for it more room to fall down, and that's what it telling us here. And me I told you that trend line here, you need to focus about it. If you break it, we are going to fall down more than that. So those things you need to be focused about them, guys. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, you remember what me I used to say about the trend line here. That one here, it's breaking here, and look how much it fall down till down here. You can find it in the last video. I told you if it doesn't give us here a price action. By the way, that one here, the Nasdaq, it gave us here a price action as you see it, the double top here. And when it's breaking here, we'll dive you into short tail down here. But me I told you another scenario, if it doesn't give you there anything, that trend line which is here, if it's getting broke, enter short. So it's getting broke here. You put stop loss here. Look at it. It fell down till here. Now you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. If you came and you do it like that, you are in it. That one here, you are in it. By the way, from here. Now, for you to enter long, it's need the market to give you here a price action like how you used to be here. If it doesn't give you a price action here, that means there is nothing. Yes, our indicator is it at the oversold area. Let me show it to you. As you see it, also we are here at the oversold area. But for us to enter long, it's need the market to give us here a price action. Yes, our indicator is at the oversold area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level, but the most important one is the price action. If we don't got it, there is no entry long. Only thing you can make a trend line like that, and you waiting if that one is getting broke here. Yes, you can enter more long, but at this time we don't got nothing here, so you need to wait in more. Maybe that one is going to fall down more than that. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now, let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY, guys. Here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Here, as you see, same thing like the SP500 market. He gave us here a clear cup and handle here, but the neckline is it down here. If a candle came and do it like that, I'm breaking that one here like that, you came, you calculating that, and that candle which is breaking, you do it like that, that means it's going to fall down to touch that trend line. And after that, we're going to see if we're going to enter long again or not. Till now, over here, it's showing to you like a smaller wage like that. So you need to focus about those things, what I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. So technically you need to looking for short, but as I show you, here it's breaking the neckline of that cup and handle which is down here, as you see it. If we don't break it, there is no entry short, you need to wait in. And another thing very important, you need to remember us, we are here in the top of that trend line. So if you are more conservative, guys, you wait in the correction till the trend line here, and you wait in a price action, then you enter more long. That if you are more conservative, if you want just to enter, you wait in the break of that neckline which is here. To get broke here, you can enter short. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, look at what the market give you here. Give you here a head and shoulder here, like that. It's breaking the neckline here. Right, that candle here, so the people, they can enter short, tail down here. But the DXY is still very, very, very stronger. Look at that supply and demand zone, which is down here. You are in it again. Should you enter long now? If the market gave you here a price action, but my advice to you, don't try to open any trade, because what I told you the CPI data which is coming today. So try to avoid trading at that time. Unless if the market give you here a very, very, very clear price action, then you can open a trade. Let's see our indicator, what is saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, we try here to enter the oversold area. Shall we enter long? Because also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Shall we enter long? Now, my friend, till the market gave us here a price action, then also we can enter. At this time there is nothing, so also we need to wait in more till the market gave us a very, 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 very clear price action, like I would give it to us before here, that double bottom till up here. I don't want to show you in the back. So now we need to wait in a price action here at that level which is here. Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.